National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Smith Point to Little Creek, Virginia. Entrance to the Chesapeake Bay including the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel, James River from Jamestown to the Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel, coastal waters from Chincoteague to Paramo Island, Virginia out 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Paramo Island to the Virginia/North Carolina border out 20 nautical miles until 6:45 p.m. At 5:43 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Smith Island to near Rappahannock Light to near James River Bridge, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include New Point Comfort, NASA Waddox Reef, Anglo-African Wreck, Ship Shoal Inlet, Thimble Shoals, Quinby Inlet, Tuesday Marshes Light, Occohannock Reef, Sand Shoal Inlet, Hampton Flats, Willoughby Bay, Sewell's Point, Cabbage Patch, Ruddy Inlet, Rappahannock Light, Latimer Shoal, Manduapungo Reef, Kipto Peak Concrete Ships, Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel and Lynn Haven. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The 5